Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Bose speakers, that frustrating blinking red and white light. If you're dealing with this on your 2025 model or any recent one, don't worry, we've got you covered. This problem can signal anything from a simple connectivity glitch to a more serious error, and fixing it yourself might just save you a trip to the repair shop. First off, let's break down what these lights mean. Generally, a red light on Bose devices indicates an error or low power, while a white light often points to pairing mode or a firmware update in progress. For the 2025 models, this combination might specifically mean your speaker is struggling with Bluetooth connectivity or has encountered a software glitch. It's Bose's way of saying, hey, something's not quite right here. Now, let's get into the fixes. Start by checking the basics. Ensure your speaker is fully charged or plugged in, as low battery can trigger these lights. Next, try a simple reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the lights turn off, then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, restart your connected device, like your phone or laptop, and attempt to reconnect via Bluetooth. If the blinking persists, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. Open the Bose app on your phone and check for any available firmware updates. These can often resolve light issues. Make sure your speaker isn't in a noisy Wi-Fi environment that might interfere with signals. And hey, if you're using multiple Bose devices, try disconnecting them to isolate the problem. In most cases, these steps should get your speaker back to normal. But if the red and white lights keep blinking, it might be a hardware issue, so contact Bose support for warranty help, especially if it's a 2025 model. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have other gadget woes. See you next time.